Hey, hi. Hi, Nirupa. Good evening.
Good morning, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
How are you doing, sir?
Good, good. Good, Nirupa. You downloaded that
Yes,
files
sir.
which I shared with you?
Yes, sir. I downloaded, sir.
Okay. Who joined? Rakshu. All are joining?
I think, yeah, Smita will also join, sir. She messaged me in the morning asking regular timings or what. So
Okay.
it's regular timings and
Okay. Okay. Up to now, we see with small data, right? I found some good data which I shared with you.
okay. I didn't see it. I just now I downloaded, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Uh, with that, we can able to do one project, end-to-end project and
Deep
deep
drills and
drills, interactive dashboards. For example, one bar
Power
chart is there.
BI. Deep
Yes.
drills and everything is Power BI, I think, no, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
For example, one dashboard, one histogram is there. In that histogram, one bar will be there, right? If you
Okay.
click on that bar, inside details will be open. If you click on inside, once again interactive dashboard. That will be a simply an interactive dashboard.
Okay.
Okay. For that, this data is much suitable, and this is the project we can able to do with help of uh, Power BI, and you can use this but to understand this data and to get familiar with the data. You can use this data in the Tableau also to understand it. Why? Because before we are moving into the visualization part and analysis part, you need to get a basic understanding, right? So that's the reason you can analyze this data with help of Tableau also.
So this is the data which we have to use to end for project which you are giving or
Yes, right. Yes, right. Yes, right.
okay.
You're able to see my screen.
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, if you observe, I'm going to the data source and adding one more.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Sir, you'll not send any more data files or anything, no, sir.
For which,
I mean, the to download or do something because I'm closing off my WhatsApp. It is continuously pinging.
yes, yes, that's it.
Okay.
Yes. Today I thought like that no one will join. At least one or two person will join. Uh, okay. Okay. All right. Mm. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Each and
What?
everyone can please try to load the data into Tableau.
All the data?
No, no, no. One Kickstarter projects I shared, right? With
Okay.
the name of
Last
50
one.
MB, approximately 50 MB.
Okay.
Oh. How will be the situations? Is there any layoffs are happening or not?
Hmm. I think so, sir.
How the openings?
That I have no idea, but I keep checking, but they are, I keep checking like every once in a while in a week, like 2, 3 times. Openings
Mm-hmm.
are okay. But I don't know if they are genuine job openings or not.
Sir, the Kickstar we have to download.
Yes, the
The
Kickstart you need to
Kickstarter.
upload into Tableau.
Okay.
Sir, it is saying it could not connect to the data source. Okay.
Mm.
Mm.
What is that format, Nirupa?
Yeah, CSV, I'm trying to do it, sir. Mm. Okay, got it.
Okay, it may be a time consuming. Each and everyone are also taking time, right?
No, sir, I opened, but so I opened it. So there are
Mm.
dimensions like country, state, currency, deadline, ID, launched, only away na, sir, Kickstarter or like I'll just see in the data set, I mean Excel also once. I'll just see what is.
It's taking time for me. I don't know.
I think it's too big, so it's taking more time.
But how Nirupa able to?
Ade, sir, I have that doubt why it opened for me. That's why I'm opening in Excel
it,
now.
it may be old data which you are seeing.
The one which you gave just now, Kickstarter projects, that only no, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, అదే ఓపెన్ చేశాను నాకు ఓపెన్ అయిందండి I also opened whether I got a doubt seeing your screen whether I opened the right one because of the columns, the dimensions and measures. It's the same data in the Excel too.
Yeah, mine is
Hmm.
also done now, like it's downloaded.
Why only mine? Okay. Do one thing. Do one thing. That will be very important. I shared couple of files, right?
Yeah, so something
Sales,
related to
sales.
adventure. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Sales, product. Take each and every file and uh, prepare a summary in one single notepad.
Summary ante what
So
is the
what the
primary
data
key
contains, what the data contains, how
of
the data
problem?
contains, how many customers, what are the different products, what are the different statuses, like that.
Okay,
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 and try to analyze the data as much as possible,
okay.
up to your understanding, and prepare some, try to ask some questions and try to find out some answers from the data itself by yourself. Approximately how many rows of data is there? 3,78,662.
Hmm.
What are the remaining files you observed it?
Mm, no, sir. I'm
So download all the files which I shared today and keep it in one specific location, one folder, and create one notepad also along with that. and write your points which are related to the entire data set. If you are not able, I don't prefer to do with help of this big data set. We have a small data set, right? With that small data set, try to analyze the situations. And one more information, Tableau is Power BI is not there for Mac.
Yes, sir, I
That-
too saw that Power BI is not that for Mac. Yeah.
Okay, we're not able to do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, she said she have a backup Windows. She will do in that.
Okay, right. What are the different data which I shared with you? Calendar, customers, product categories, product subcategories, products, returns, sales information, and different territories. Here we'll create different relations and we'll design schemas. All those things will be also covered at here.
Schema and the data warehousing thing, sir.
Yes, right. We'll create schemas also at here. Snowflake schema. Someone asked or
Star
not?
schema.
Here we use Snowflake schema.
Okay. What is a Snowflake schema, sir?
You anyway you are in there only, right? How the snowflake will be look like? Snow on the trees.
Yeah,
How it will be look like?
like a star kind of thing with the.
Right. Here the architecture also will be like the same.
Okay.
If you search snowflake, that particular symbol only will get it, right? Trees will be the small leaves will be freezed at there, and that look you are able to see. Exactly, that is the thing.
Excuse me. Sir, this adventure works like the data, right? So this is like which we do in Microsoft SQL Studio.
Yes.
Is it something related to that?
Yes, it's also created for the learning purpose.
Okay.
But a little modifications will be there from user to user. That's it.
Okay.
Apart from that, everything will be the same.
Okay.
Okay. And anyone have any other doubts?
Yeah, I have some doubts like regarding different modules like Excel and all. So I
Okay,
can
tell
ask
me.
now or I will share.
No problem. You can ask.
I have
Because anyway,
question.
you need you have if you have any if you noted it somewhere, you can share with me and
Hmm.
we'll discuss. I'll also look into those things and we'll discuss.
So
Otherwise, you can go through this particular analysis. I'll tell you what are the steps we'll follow. First,
Hmm.
I'll introduce the Power BI UI.
Hmm.
okay.
What are the products and what are the tools? How you're going to load the data? What type of visualizations? How we discuss the Tableau? These are the options. These are the options. These are available. After that, we'll design individual visualizations, and after that, we'll try to write some conditions. Okay. After that, we'll create some dashboards, and in the dashboards, we'll apply multiple filters. With that filters, we'll use some specific drill down options, and we'll design a small dashboard. At the end, we'll design the final business delivery projection. It will able to see 4 or 5 screens only. From that 4 or 5 screens, you're going, for example, what will happen if you click on a hyperlink when you are reading a web article? How it will
Mm.
happen? You'll go
It
to
will go
some
to,
other place.
yes.
If you click one more hyperlink, it will go to further. Like that,
Mm.
we'll go and deep drill down that particular dashboard. Meanwhile, here
Oh.
in this entire Power BI, the difficult thing is, and a little complex thing is, uh, you know, learning the DAX. That is the thing. But it is very easy for you. Why? Because you're familiar with the Python, you're familiar with the Tableau, and you're familiar with the SQL. This is also somewhat logical. You can able to easily learn. For example, if you don't know any of these things, it will be difficult task for you.
Mm.
Okay, for our entire Power BI, we're going to use these data sets. These data sets and these features and the format of these things and the views of these things will be on your fingertips. Okay,
Mm.
that is what my expectation. And don't worry, you no need to do it all the analysis in the Power BI itself. You can do it in Tableau to understand. Why? Because we all are familiar with that, right?
Mm.
Uh,
So you can do all the analysis in the Tableau. And don't forget, you need to maintain a notes about the data,
mm.
not related to the concepts, about the data.
So after all the analyzing and cleaning and all this, we will make the dashboard finally. How will
Yeah,
data
no, no,
look?
no.
And
Once you analyzed, then
hmm,
we load the data into Power BI. For
huh,
example, if you are able to see my screen, right? After
hmm,
loading the data into Power BI, it will be look like this.
okay.
What you will do if you don't know about the context of the data? You are able to do anything?
Hmm,
No, right?
hmm,
So that is the reason I'm. If, for example, it's simple like that. If you want to see the data,
huh.
this is the way. If you want to see, if you want to create any relations, you can see. If you want to create any
Oh,
visualizations, you're able to see like a show me option.
yes, yes. Hmm.
Okay, it's a
Oh,
donut. You need to add these things and cross report to keep all the filters, details, legend, add data fields, search filters, hiding the
mm,
filters, all these things.
mm, mm.
The user field will be looking like same, right? But the only thing is, this is the importance of the Power BI is it is free, open source.
Huh,
Okay, and it is
mm,
easily integrated with the Microsoft product. Why we are not able
yes.
to use this particular Power BI in Apple?
Mm,
Because he want to, with help of this, he want to promote the Windows operating system also, right?
yeah.
You getting my point?
Mm, yes, yes.
That is also his strategy. He is
Mm,
releasing
yeah.
all these things into market, and if the people are there who are who can able to use the Power BI, then
Mm,
definitely companies need the reporting work. Then definitely they need to purchase the licenses, right? For example,
yes.
as a learners, as a students, as a practitioners, will use
Mm,
proxy versions, but not in the
mm,
real time, right?
mm,
They need to purchase the licenses and they need to do each and everything efficient.
yeah.
So for that reason, this is not a free version. This
Mm,
is a free version, but it is a limited availability.
yeah. Mm,
Okay. The main thing here is we're going to cover which we are not covered. Here we can able to build end-to-end pipelines from connecting database to data to
huh.
entire workflow we can able to design to the end result. For example, CEO, he's not interested in hundreds and hundreds of visualizations, right? He's
Mm,
interested in just he'll see 4 or 5 visualizations. Okay. how the profit in my different business segments. This is in retail, this is in e-commerce, this is in logistics, like that.
Hmm.
4 segments. If you want to see any specific segment, how it is performing, then if you click on that particular thing, you can able to deep dive into it.
Okay, okay.
Like that type of things we can able to create.
Hmm.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
You saw that right? Total approximately 10 files are there.
Hmm.
Try to create visualizations and try to understand this particular data with help of Tableau or Excel. Which one is comfortable for you? That one. And
Hmm.
you need to remember one thing. Those all will be considered as the tables, right? Each and every CSV file is nothing but a table, right?
Ah.
And we need to do multiple joins and multiple conditions also to fetch our required data.
Hmm.
Okay. How many products are there? What are the products available? How the relation between products and sales? How the relation between sales and customer? How the relation between sales and store? No, like these type of things. You need to be aware. Okay. Each and everyone try to load that particular data into Tableau.
Yes, sir. The Kickstarter was uploaded.
Uploaded. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Hmm.
you see, right? This is somewhat a big data set which we see, which we saw up to now.
Yeah.
Main category.
Here, what my expectation is, you need to be very, very familiar with this particular data sets.
Hmm.
And you don't worry about the complexity and confusion related to it. Depend upon one tool, either Power BI or Tableau. Anyway, you all are good in Tableau. It is very easy for you only, but with the little changes, that's it. With the little changes, that's it.
So in Tableau, we uploaded that Kickstart one, so that is enough, or we have to upload all these files separately.
No, you upload or not upload, that is not my concern. My concern is you need to be understand this data. Up to now,
Yeah.
you can
Hmm.
you know how to analyze the data, how to look into the data.
Hmm.
You can do that process in Tableau or Excel or by looking at it. That's completely your wish.
No, I get that point, but I am asking like these all are different. So we have to go through all these files,
Hmm.
whatever you shared. So we have to
Yes, right.
say,
The
yeah.
final kickstart one is there, right? That is somewhat
Yes.
related to all these things. But the
Okay, okay.
remaining all these are, you know, individual things. For example, the products information will be available in one table.
Hmm.
Customer information will be available in one table.
Yeah.
Sales information,
Hmm.
subcategories
Hmm.
information,
Hmm.
calendar information, returns information will be available in another table.
Hmm.
Like that, you can able to easily analysis and it will be very time saving also.
Yes. Yes. Hmm. And I
Okay.
have one question also regarding
Yes.
that
Yes.
hyperlink thing. So that
Yes, sir.
hyperlink thing, like if suppose we created a dashboard in Tableau and there is
Mm-hmm.
a one drop down with the hyperlink. So
Mm-hmm.
that hyperlink will attach only in
No,
Tableau
no, no.
or
I'm not saying the hyperlink. For example sake, I say, okay, you can consider this donut chart is a
huh,
visualization. Okay, the
hmm,
dark one is there, right? If you click on the
huh,
drop down double times, okay,
huh,
one another visualization it need to be opened with the
huh,
details related to this information. Once
hmm,
again, if you select some specific part in that particular thing, and if it has a
hmm.
deep drill down, if we double click on it, another visualization or another information will be opened like that. Not exactly
Oh,
the hyperlink. The for the functionality example, I discussed that.
okay, okay, got it now, got it. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nirupa, the things which you are looking for a deep drill downs and all those things, we're going to look into it here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
it can be one thing. Remember, the functionality will be the same, but the project and the domain and the objective may be the different. You need to remember that thing. I will
So,
cover almost all 80% of the Power BI functionality. The
okay,
project you need to answer you are in a position to answer and to justify the things in that manner, what they are expecting, and based on that.
okay.
Okay, can I expect each and everyone are able to complete this analysis for the next class? And can you please once again inform to the people who or anyone want to join also?
Sir, so by next class, we should do some analysis on the whole, the data
Yes,
sets.
the data sets.
And we should be ready with the Power BI installation and everything.
Yes.
Some summary about the whole data in the notepad.
Yes, yes, right. For example, if I ask what are your observations from the returns? If I ask, you need to tell me, okay, this much percentage of returns are happened, and you need to observe, okay, on what dates most, or what category, or from what region. That type of observations you need to, you need to do those things.
Okay.
You definitely, when you're seeing the data, you'll get some questions, right? Try to find out answers for those questions.
Okay.
Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, a 2-hour session it is.
Okay, 2 hours, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
From tomorrow onwards, 2 hours. Don't neglect it. Please try to complete your analysis. Otherwise, it will be going front and back. You're not able to concentrate on the functionality of the Power BI. If you are completely aware about the data, then you will concentrate on the functionality of the Power BI.
Okay.
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 Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye bye.